Our business thrives on happy customers, so when they write to tell us we did a good job, we love to share their feedback so they know we appreciate their words. In short, it's always been our prime objective to make our customers happy, so when they write feedback like this, and specifically mention the great customer service they received, it makes us feel like we're meeting that objective. And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is our biggest priority, and we'll work very hard to get it. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.